Nako-cover ba ng HMO yung panganganak or childbirth? This is one question that I get very frequently, lalo na nung nagsimula ako na maging agent ng MaxiCare. Para po doon sa mga nagbabalak palang kumuha ng MaxiCare HMO for themselves or for their family, yung tawag sa plan na to is yung My MaxiCare. And unfortunately, sa My MaxiCare, hindi kino-cover ang maternity cases. Actually, nakasulat to dun sa fine print ng mismong plan na anything maternity related, hindi siya covered ng individual or ng family plan. Even yung mga checkups and laboratories, hindi talaga yun covered under nung ganitong plan. Pero if under kayo ng corporate account, maybe yung employer nyo merong ganitong kinuhang HMO para sa mga empleyado niya, then that is a different story. When it comes to corporate accounts, there is a possibility to customize the plan. So depende na lang doon sa employer nyo kung ano ba yung settings na kinuha niya, then it's possible na merong maternity coverage yung plan ng company ninyo. And for that, mas maganda na itanong sa HR kung meron bang maternity coverage. Pero if katulad kayo ni ma'am na nagpaplanong mag-avail ng individual or ng family plan, again, under MaxiCare, hindi po mako-cover yung panganganak and maternity-related cases. If you'd like to know more about MaxiCare HMO for individuals, family, or for your business, you know what to do. Send me a message.